of Port Light, Wisconsin, until 5:45 p.m. In Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Fond du Lac County and east central Wisconsin, Sheboygan County and east central Wisconsin, until 5 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Campbellsport, or 10 miles north of Kewaskum, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: weather spotters confirm tornado. Multiple reports of tornadoes have been received with this storm across Fond du Lac County. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Sheboygan, Plymouth, Sheboygan Falls, Howards Grove, Pittsburgh, Kohler, Cedar Grove, Campbellsport, Randon Lake, Elkhart Lake, Greenbush, Mount Calvary, Cascade, Adel, Waldo, St. Cloud, Glenboyle, Haven, Beechwood, and Jacksonville. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The tornado warning